I always get very angry that people are down on older women and their sexuality and stuff, and it's just good that one person is appreciating their shoulders and admiring their forearms. Wowie, this is my kind of thing.
Whoa.
Oh,
What?
I was really excited when I saw your snacking combo. Some Galaxy and a pile of crisps. And I picked up the Galaxy and immediately got a whiff, and it's salt and vinegar crisps.
Yeah.
Which I hate.
No, but whoa.
What? Sorry, tell me how I'm supposed to eat this.
This is a together snack, right? So it's...
Well, like you and me eat it together.
Yeah, but also we eat the crisp and the Galaxy at the same time. Take 2 pieces of Galaxy and a crisp, in it goes.
The only kind of salt and vinegar crisps I really like are...
One's covered in Galaxy now. Watch. Put it in your mouth. Just put it in your mouth.
Yuck. When I was little, I swear to God, there was chocolate-covered crisps for a bit.
Yeah.
Who made them?
Knows. Do you ever...
Did you remember them?
Yeah,
That was a
but
real
do you
thing.
remember when M&S made hamburger-shaped crisps and chips in a bag? You get fish and chips or burger and chips in a bag, and they were shaped like what they were.
Oh, yeah. I don't remember them being M&S, but... And one would be like a fish flavoured crisp.
Yeah.
I should ask you, how did you get into eating this?
How did I get into eating it? Do you know what it is?
Where did you start, you know?
Fucking fuck knows, bruv. But a long time ago, I'm a snack guy, innit? So I'd often just be watching cooking shows or whatever. What's the point of eating snacks individually? Why not just eat them together? And I guess it was born that I was eating a packet of salt and vinegar crisps and a bar of Galaxy, and I was like, I f*** with this. I f*** with this heavy. It's not something I turn back to often, but when it's about, I'm like, yeah, I'm in.
You worked as a chef in pasta restaurants for years, right? I've been learning how to cook with pasta properly and do the thing where you get the cooking water and put it in. And I bought fancy pasta the other week.
When you say fancy, describe it. What do you mean by fancy?
I think I got, it wasn't Mafalda, but it was like a really thick tagliatelle.
Oh yeah, nice.
And then the pasta that I made, the dish that I made, my boyfriend was like, I wouldn't normally put this shape with this pasta.
Is your boyfriend Italian?
He's Irish.
Tell him to get off his high horse then.
He didn't even know what asparagus
What does he f***ing know about pasta?
He didn't know what things were when I met him.
I'm saying that as a half Turkish, half English man.
Well, it's London changes you, so he's obviously got ideas.
The reason that you have all of those pasta shapes is because they are designed to be eaten with a particular sauce.
Yeah.
But if my girlfriend had gone through the trouble to make me dinner, the last thing I would have been like is, hey, I'm Irish and I know what I'm talking about. This isn't the right f***ing pasta shape. They are there for a reason, but no one's f***ing Italian nana's going to be like, listen, man, why have you served me this? I'm not eating it. Yeah. So I often just go spaghetti because I like the slurping action. Mm-hmm. But also if I'm doing like a deep ragu or something, I want like rigatoni or I want a f***ing classic penne sometimes. It's just good enough to go.
Is it worth making your own pasta? Do you follow that Instagram account, Pasta Grannies?
Yeah.
It's like 95-year-old women making
orecchiette just on the side of the road. They've got an entire cookbook to come out last year.
How have they got a cookbook though? Because it's just like millions of random old women, or is there 2 old women in the centre of it?
Everyone can input. It might be 2.
What I mean is, it seems to be a different granny in every video. I thought they were just going all these random...
pasta grannies were literally 2 women.
No, that's what I'm saying. There must be 2 grannies at the centre of operations.
They've made a cult. They've got a cult behind them.
But the Instagram is like, it was like a random nonna in her kitchen just rolling out loads of stuff. And they're always unfeasibly old. And you're like, should I be eating pasta?
Mad fit. I like watching like the muscles in their forearms work and like how big their shoulders are. Yeah, I appreciate the little they've been doing it.
Do you know what? I always get very angry that people are down on older women and their sexuality and stuff, and it's just good that one person is appreciating their shoulders and admiring their forearms. We're going to play a quick game of good combo, bad combo.
Okay.
I'm going to say a combination of things. You're going to tell me if it's a good combo or a bad combo. Try not to think too much when I ask you. Ant and Dec.
Ant and Dec?
Yeah.
Good combo.
Yeah, it's a hard one because I feel there's a really dark.
I thought this was going to be food related, and then she put out Ant and Dec, and I was like, what?
Netflix and chill. I don't even, does that mean shagging?
Netflix and chill doesn't necessarily mean shagging because I do it every night with my girlfriend, and we don't. We do shag, but we don't shag every night.
Arsenal and bottling it towards the end of the season.
Good combo.
Socks and sliders.
All day, every day, the comfiest thing you'll ever wear on your feet.
I believe you're wearing this on the cover of your cookbook.
I am. I wish I could wear them today, but I put on trainers just for you.
Oh, thank you. What kind of trainers have you got?
TN Terrascapes.
Oh.
Yeah, I went all black today on the hottest day of the year.
I know it's
An idiot.
Big Has and swearing.
Yeah.
That seems like I was just saying it because you swore there. Saturday kitchen and Sunday brunch.
Yeah, good combo.
Your dad and Robert De Niro.
Good combo.
Nelly and Kelly.
Good combo. The fact that she sends him a message on Microsoft Excel, have you seen it? She pulls out her little flip phone and she's writing the message in the video.
Yeah.
And she's writing it on Excel. It's f***ing funny,
Did
man.
was that like a big thing on social media recently?
Yeah.
I've got to rate your snacking combo.
I mean, look at how big this crisp is alone.
Yeah, but I want to judge it on the combo of things. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. I would give it 10 out of 10
Fair.
if it was ready salted crisps. But I liked it.
Thanks.
I liked it.